Hey guys, and welcome to the series where I'll be transforming this wasted space under the stairs into something Harry Potter would be proud of. Unfortunately for Harry, this is going to be the home of my royal python, Noodles. It's going to be slightly larger than a 4x2x2 and is 100% being winged from scratch. Come along and let's do it. Off camera, I'd already fastened some battens together and screwed them down to the floor using screws. As you can see here, I'm just tapping some wall plugs into the... Did anyone else see that? Anyway, I'm making sure that I've knocked the wall plugs past the plasterboard into the brick using a screw. Otherwise, if I was to screw these in without doing this first, I'd blow out the plaster. And nobody likes blowing out plaster. Anyway, enough of me and my rubbish jokes. Let's put some music on so you don't have to listen to the Sonic the Hedgehog noise that the drill makes when it's sped up times 10. Hope you enjoy. Did anyone see that?
Can you kiss him? Can you kiss him? Kiss him?
Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy DIY and reptile content. Keep your eyes peeled as there's much more to come.